Hi there, I'm Jenny. Today, let's learn about AI. Imagine you have a super smart robot friend who keeps learning and getting better every day. That's kind of what artificial intelligence, AI, is like. It's basically super clever computer programs that can learn and do things on their own. AI learns by looking at tons of information, like pictures of your favorite animals, or the sounds of different instruments. The more information it sees, the better it gets at recognizing patterns and making predictions. For example, AI can help you search the web for the coolest jokes, or recommend funny videos to watch. It can even help create those silly filters on your photos, making you look like a cat or an astronaut. AI is also getting really good at helping people in grown-up jobs too. It can help doctors by spotting things in X-rays they might miss, or help athletes train by predicting their opponent's next move. Pretty cool, right? Even though AI is super smart, it's still learning and growing. But one thing's for sure, AI is making our world a whole lot more fun and helpful, one clever trick at a time.